Life after 50 can be a time of profound change. Relationships shift. Children grow up. We might find ourselves navigating a new sense of self. Loneliness can creep in, whispering doubts in the quiet moments. It's okay to acknowledge these feelings. They are a natural part of the human experience. But here's the truth. This chapter is far from over. In fact, it's brimming with possibility. It's a chance to redefine what truly matters. It's an opportunity to connect with ourselves and others in deeper, more meaningful ways. Forget the societal scripts about finding the one. This time is about you. It's about embracing your own company and discovering the joy of authentic connection. It's about building a life rich with experiences and relationships that nourish your soul. This is your invitation to step into the fullness of this next chapter, to embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity, to open your heart to the beauty of connection in all its forms. We often equate connection with romantic love, but true connection runs much deeper. It's about shared experiences, mutual respect, and genuine understanding. It's about feeling seen and heard for who we truly are. This kind of connection can be found in countless ways. It blossoms in friendships old and new. It thrives in communities united by shared interests or passions. It emerges in unexpected encounters, reminding us that we are never truly alone. Don't underestimate the power of a simple conversation, a shared smile, a listening ear. These small acts of connection can have a profound impact on our well-being. They remind us that we are part of something larger than ourselves. Shift your focus from finding a romantic partner to cultivating meaningful connections. Invest in your existing relationships. Be open to new friendships. Embrace the beauty of human connection in all its forms. Remember the joy of movement, the thrill of competition, the satisfaction of mastering a new skill. Physical activity isn't just good for our bodies, it's good for our souls. Rediscover the pleasure of sports and recreation. Join a local league, take a class, explore new activities that pique your interest. Disc golf offers a fun, social way to enjoy the outdoors. Bowling provides a relaxed atmosphere for friendly competition and conversation. Archery challenges your focus and precision, fostering a sense of accomplishment. The key is to find activities that bring you joy and connect you with others who share your passion. Allow yourself to connect with your body and the world around you. Community involvement offers a powerful antidote to loneliness. It connects us with others who share our values, interests, and passions. It allows us to contribute our unique talents and make a difference in the world around us. Explore the many ways to engage with your community. Join a church group or volunteer at a local charity. Attend town hall meetings and make your voice heard. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of live theater. Become a regular at a local coffee shop or bookstore. These spaces offer fertile ground for chance encounters and meaningful conversations. By actively participating in our communities, we weave ourselves into the fabric of something larger. We create a sense of belonging, purpose, and shared experience that enriches our lives in countless ways. Section 5. The comfort of rituals, local haunts, and familiar faces. There's a certain comfort in the familiar, the warmth of a neighborhood coffee shop, the friendly banter at the local farmer's market, the familiar faces at your weekly yoga class. These small rituals and routines ground us in the present moment. They create a sense of belonging and connection, reminding us that we are part of a vibrant community. Make it a point to frequent local establishments. Strike up conversations with the baristas, the bookstore owners, the fellow patrons at your favorite diner. You never know what friendships might blossom from these everyday interactions. These seemingly small moments of connection can have a ripple effect, brightening our days and strengthening the bonds of community. They remind us that we are seen, valued, and connected, even in the most ordinary moments. Another emerging trend is pickleball, a fun and social activity that brings together people of all ages. This sport not only promotes physical health, but also fosters community and intergenerational connections. Section 6. A legacy of wisdom, mentorship, and shared experiences. As we enter our 70s and beyond, we carry a wealth of experience and wisdom. Sharing our stories and insights with younger generations can be incredibly fulfilling. Mentorship provides a unique opportunity to connect with others, bridge generational divides, and make a lasting impact. It allows us to see the world through fresh eyes, while also offering guidance and support to those navigating their own journeys. Volunteer at a local school or community center. Connect with mentorship programs in your area. Share your passions and expertise with others. You'll be amazed by the richness and depth these connections bring to your life. Mentoring is a reciprocal exchange. It's about sharing our wisdom, but it's also about staying open to learning and growing from the perspectives of others. Section 7. The courage to connect, taking the first step. Building connections requires courage. It means stepping outside of our comfort zones, embracing vulnerability, and risking rejection. But the rewards far outweigh the risks. Remember, everyone craves connection. The person next to you at the coffee shop, the volunteer at the local food bank, the fellow attendee at your book club meeting, they are all potential friends waiting to be discovered. Start small. Offer a smile. Strike up a conversation. Extend an invitation. The more you put yourself out there, the easier it becomes. And you never know what beautiful connections might blossom from a single act of bravery. Embrace the vulnerability of connection. It's in those moments of shared humanity that we truly come alive. Section 8. Navigating the landscape. Resources for connection. In today's digital age, there are countless resources available to help us connect with others. Explore online platforms like Meetup and Eventbrite to discover local events and activities that align with your interests. Join Facebook groups dedicated to your hobbies, passions, or local community. Volunteer Match and Idealist connect individuals with volunteer opportunities in their area. Your local library and community centers often have bulletin boards or newsletters advertising social gatherings and events. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Ask friends, neighbors, and colleagues for recommendations. The key is to be proactive. Explore the resources available to you, and don't be afraid to try new things. You never know where you might find your tribe. Section 9. Embrace the journey. Building meaningful connections takes time and effort. It's a journey, not a destination. There will be moments of awkwardness, vulnerability, and maybe even rejection. But there will also be moments of laughter, joy, and deep connection. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a willingness to be surprised. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, to be vulnerable, and to let others see your authentic self. The connections you build along the way will enrich your life in countless ways. They will remind you that you are not alone, that you are loved, and that you belong. So go forth, embrace the journey, and watch as your life blossoms with connection.